Hello everyone, Miss McCartney here again. I hope everyone is doing okay. I really miss everybody. I hope we'll be back together at school very soon. But until then, I hope everyone has been trying to do a little bit of home learning every day, a little bit of maths, a little bit of English and some reading if you can, and maybe even some IPC or some art. There's some fantastic ideas on the website. I put a video up last week, just a bit of a tutorial showing you how to use the website, showing you how to access the different things the teachers have put on there. And the reason for this video is there's been a little bit of a change to the White Rose Maths materials and how you access them. So I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you how you can find the sheets, because it has changed a little bit, and to keep you on track with your learning. As I said previously, just do what you can. I know it's different to being in school. You maybe aren't able to print the sheets. If you can't print them, just try and write your answers on a bit of paper. Just use the sheet as a bit of a guide. So just doing the best you can, trying your hardest, and that'll be good enough for everyone at school. So keep watching the video and I'll show you how to access the sheet. It's changed a little bit. So just like before, you access the home learning section of the White Rose website. I'll link that below in case you're not sure where to find that. And then you'll see when you go onto the website that says get ready for week 4, and it talks about a slight change in the way we share our worksheets. The video is going to be the same, but the worksheet has changed slightly. So you'll see this message. In previous weeks you had the video, and then right beside it you had the activity and the answers, which you could click after watching the video. However, now you will see the video, but then beside it, instead of the activity, you will see a message which says looking for the worksheets, contact your child's school. So first of all, watch the video, which, as I said in my previous video, is like a lesson. Not quite the same as from your teacher, but a lesson that shows you how to do the maths. Once you have done that, you'll need to go back to the school website and back to the school closure at home learning area, which I talked about in my previous video. You are then going to choose your key stage area depending on what year group you are in. Key stage 1, you already had this document in the maths area in your key stage 1 section. This is the same document you're going to continue to use. In this document is all the activities for the 3 weeks starting the 4th of May. So last week, this week and next week. So all of your maths activities are there. You just click the link and it will open up. Year 3 and 4, you're going to go into the Key Stage 2 area, and then under Year 3 and 4 you will see both of your sets of sheets, as you can see here. And finally, Year 5 and 6, you're also in the Key Stage 2 area. You can scroll down underneath Year 3 and 4 until you find your maths area, and your sheets are there, as you can see in the photograph. So just to recap, you're going to watch the video on the White Rose website, but then you're going to come to the Old Oak website to find the activity. So watching the video on the White Rose website, but then coming to the Old Oak website to do the activity. Before you start the activity, just double check that you're on the correct lesson to match the video you've just watched. For example, here I am on Year 3, Week 4, Lesson 1. So I just want to check that matches the video I just watched, which was Year 3, Week 4, Lesson 1. So I know I'm ready to go ahead and do the activity. So I hope that made sense, and it's now clear how to access the activities to go with the videos. Any problems, you can either email the front desk. I'll pop the email address down below, but you can also find that on the school website. Or even better, you might want to email your teacher, show them the work you've been doing. You can ask any questions, any tips you'd like. All your teachers' email addresses are in the home learning area of the website under your key stage. So if you have a look there, you can find your teacher's email address and send them a message. I know that I love receiving messages from my class. All the teachers would love to hear from you. I hope everyone is staying safe, staying happy. I hope we're all back together soon at school, but obviously we want to make sure it's safe before we all come back. So hopefully that will be in the near future. But until then, just make sure you're following the government guidelines and behaving well at home, trying to get some fresh air, and I hope to see you all very soon.